We do not do wastewater treatment. We don't do the biology. Cuba is a German company based in Bavaria, just north of Munich. We're a global company producing wastewater solutions. So that is solutions for wastewater, for clean water and industrial wastewater projects. Yeah, well, as you'll be aware, the world has not been a predictable place with COVID and wars, and so in this industry, we have to live with penalties. Right. So we don't want to tell anyone that we can do something unless we're pretty darn sure we can do it. Yeah. So that we can manufacture everything for the US and Canadian market here in the United States. Chamber, which is a concrete chamber. We have various sizes, but this might be 30 to 40 feet long typically, and perhaps 15 to 20 feet deep. And we do what's called a bench test. So we have a lab technician, and she has all the polymers, and she works her magic that I said I know very little about, like a sort of a science experiment. And then we will send back the customer a report telling them what we think we can do for them. Yeah. So we might come to them and say, based on your flow, we can produce 20% dry solids using this much polymer in a year. Or do we want to dry to, let's say, 90% dry solids? So that will reduce it down almost to a powder. And what will landfill accept? Every state's different. How far do we need to transport it? Now, this is the product where we can guarantee producing a product that the municipalities can either sell or give away as a fertilizer to farmers, sod growers, and the general public. What is the return on investment? And so that's, let's say for argument's sake, one of these is $6 or $7 million.
There's been a lot of inflation lately. Yeah. Shipping costs have gone through the roof. If you had one of these installed, you're not going to be subjected to that. You've already essentially paid for this, yeah. And you're not going to see that huge increase.